What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jill, man. I'm back again with another video. This time I got you see the title, man. This the ugliest Travis Scott shoe of the year, bro. In my opinion, they hard though, but to everybody else, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But we got the ugliest Travis Scott right here. You know what I'm saying? It's the all brown pair. When we finna unbox this right here, it came from my guys at Up Shoe. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Boom. All right, so got the shoe right here. Let's go ahead and get it out the box. You know what I'm saying? We got that regular Travis Scott box. The box looks good. Got everything on it. All details on it. Size 10. Everything looks good. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, right here. I didn't even realize it said that. It says 1985 Air Jordan 1. I didn't even realize it said it on the side of the box. Like right here. I didn't even realize that. So let's go ahead and bust it open. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as you open the box, got that paper. Upshoe.ru, Upshoe_official, and then it has the WhatsApp, and then you have a coupon code regular for $15 off. You know what I'm saying? That's if y'all go shop my guys at Upshoe. Also, you can use code GEE for, you know, same thing off. But as soon as you open the box, you got that regular Travis Scott pink paper, all brown Travis Scott with the dark black swoosh. Smells good. Wait, is this brown or black? No, that's definitely brown. I'm trying to see, like, yeah, that's definitely brown. So, but the swoosh is what makes it hard to see though. But like from far away, you would be like, this ain't no damn, it's not no Travis Scott. You wouldn't even know this is Travis Scott. Like, look, you know, like regular ass cartoon black shoes, like that's what these look like. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like if you put the pink laces in, then they hit a little different. But yeah, so they smell good. So this is the all brown upper suede. You know what I'm saying? Premium materials. Got the black swoosh right there. Then the brown midsole is a different brown than from the rest of the shoes. Check out the suede. Okay, suede is sueding. Feels pretty good. Got that. And the toe box right there. It's all soft and ruffled a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That hard suede. I like it. On the inside of these, it just says Travis Scott. So this is both of the shoes right here out the box. You know what I'm saying? This is the left one. This is the right one. Travis Scott don't miss. I ain't gonna lie, he has not missed yet. Nike Air in a darker brown on the tongue right there. Pretty much, man, these shoes are pretty nice. Just like any other Travis Scott, no change of materials. Everything's the same. Except everything's all suede on this pair. Nothing too much. You got the Air Jordan wings on the back of this pair. You know what I'm saying? And on the back of this pair, you got like the Travis Scott kid. But everything's kind of hard to see on this shoe because it's just all brown. And I mean, how boring can you get with this? But we get two other lace options, and this one is a lighter coffee brown, like a lighter brown. And then this one is that pink that everybody's been putting in these. You know what I'm saying? The famous pink Travis Scott laces, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, all brown Travis Scott, nothing much to it. It's boring. Whether you like to dress it up, you want to wear it down, that's up to you. In my opinion, these are hard. There's gonna be harder Travis Scotts coming out this year, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be getting them all. But like I said, this is one I'll personally keep in my collection because I like Travis Scott shoes, and this one's a banger for me. But like I said, man, what more can I say? It's an all brown shoe. Upshoe official did a very good job at, you know, making this pair. You know what I'm saying? Made it look good. It holds up pretty nice, sturdy, thing like that. It feels just like the real thing. Looks just like the real thing. So like I said, every video, man, if you want a cheaper alternative to the highly expensive shoes, man, Upshoe official is the way to go. You see the materials, man. I put it right in your face. You can't deny it. It look good. So pretty much, I mean, that's a detailed review of this shoe, man. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at GLSoWavy, man. And I would say TikTok, but TikTok getting shut down. That's all I heard. But you know what I'm saying? That's all for this video. We out. Peace.